Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. You can see where the rust spot was, is right in there. I took wire brush that off, used the high temperature primer on there, then used the black high temperature paint on there. And there was a couple other screws and stuff that had some rust on it. I really need to put a cover on this, and I'm going to get a cover. I just don't want to have to go into town to get one. Think about it. But that I'm gonna keep maintenance up on this one, and hopefully I'll get as many years out of it as I got out of my other one. I lost the legs on it and had to put it into a fire ring and use it like that for a long time till it just finally, the bottom rusted out. But as you can see, I've got the coals going and it's gonna be a good meal. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.